little video. I took my stuff up to Ace Hardware on July the 9th. Man, I went to get it today on a BR430 Sthil, and they said it was toast. Something wrong, engine failure. It just wasn't starting. Same old thing as all the Sthil. But I got to thinking about the chainsaws and all, which I've owned, and the leaf blowers and other stuff, and weed eaters and whatnot. You have this, as Jeremy would say, common sense of the day. Always check something you might know was there. They're in the exhaust right there. Save yourself a lot of time, a lot of money. Clean that little screen out right there. Two little old torque screws. Bada bing, bada boom. You're back in business. That mower is toast according to Webster Brothers Hardware of Walkertown, Ace Hardware, Webster Brothers of Walkertown, whatever you want to call it. That engine's toast, he told me today. Just wanted a little small tip. Don't let everybody get over on you.